welcome to our new video. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to the virology. Before starting the topic, I would like to say something regarding the burning issue of coronavirus. World Health Organization declared coronavirus as a pandemic, and main thing is that the way of prevention regarding the coronavirus to the normal people is that please make a social distance. Main thing, because prevention is better than that of the cure, so please make a social distance. Don't go outside without any urgent work. If you have to go outside, then after coming from outside, please wash your hand properly with soap and water. Now let's start today's topic, virology. Introduction to the virology. First, definition of the virology. It is the branch of microbiology that deals with the study of the virus, its structure, disease caused by them, lab diagnosis and treatment of that disease. And the virus, what is the definition of the virus? Our complete definition of virus is, remember that virus is a particle. Virus is a particle, not a living thing. It's not considered as a living thing, not considered as a non-living thing. So it's termed as a particle. So in the definition, in starting, it is a particle. Viruses are the particles that composed of internal core containing either DNA or RNA, but not both, covered by a protective protein coat and reproduce within a cell by a replication. I already mentioned that it is a particle, and it consists of the internal core, that is genetic material, is DNA or RNA, but not both, which is covered by a protective protein coat, and multiplication of virus occurs through replication. What is envelope? Envelope, some viruses have an outer lipoproteinous membrane coat called envelope. In the definition, there is the term lipoprotein is here. Lipoprotein, that is lipid. Lipid is derived from the host cells, and protein is derived from the viral specific protein. And the reproduction of the virus or multiplication of the virus. The reproduction or multiplication of the virus take place within multiplication of virus occurs by the replication, and this process occurs inside a cell because they cannot generate energy or cannot synthesize the protein. Energy generation and protein synthesis doesn't take place because in virus they lack of mitochondria and the ribosomes. So virus is called obligate intercellular parasite, and virus have own specific features in reproduction, that is, one virus particle replicate to produce 100 of virus, that is called progenivirus. Is one important question. Virus have specific features. Let's take one example. Now coronavirus, novel coronavirus is spreading day by day in worldwide, because it can during the replication, single viral cell can produce 100 of cell, that's called progenivirus. Whereas one normal cell is divided to produce only 2 daughter cell. One normal cell when one normal cell divide, it produce 2 daughter cell, whereas one virus divide, it produce 100 of cell called progenivirus. Virus is not a cell because it doesn't follow the fundamental aspect of the cell theory. It doesn't follow the fundamental aspect of the cell theory. So what are the fundamental aspect of the cell theory? There are 4 fundamental aspect of the cell theory. They are, all living things are composed of the cell. The second is, the cell is a basic fundamental unit of life. Third is, cell only arises from pre-existing cells. Cell carries genetic information in the form of DNA. But what about the virus? There are some difference between human cell and virus cell. Virus cell, now human cell and virus and human. Virus consists of the nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, but human cell consists of both DNA and RNA. In virus, ribosome is absent, whereas in human cell, ribosome is present. Due to the absence of the ribosome, the protein cannot synthesis in the virus, because protein are synthesis from the ribosome. So in the virus, protein is absent, whereas in the human, protein is present. Lipoprotein membrane is present in some viruses, whereas cell membrane is present in human cell. And mitochondria is absent in the virus, whereas present in human cell. Enzymes are few or none in case of the virus, whereas many enzymes are present in human cell. And reproduction occurs through replication in case of the virus, whereas reproduction occurs in a human cell by the binary fission or the mitosis. And there is no role of light microscope in case of the virus, whereas there is for human cell we can see human cell by the light microscope. For MCQ, all cell consist of the mitochondria except prokaryotic cells. In all virus there is no ribosomes, but in RNA virus they have few ribosomes, but they are non-functional. That it is an important question. Remember that in the RNA virus there is a ribosome is present, but they are non-functional. And these are and I already mentioned that that one when a cell divides it produces two daughter cell, but in case of some viruses when during the division they can produce a number of cell. During a single division they can produce 100 of cell called progeny virus. That is also important question for MCQ. Remember that progeny virus single division produce 100 of cell. In RNA virus there is no ribosome. In all virus there is no ribosome, but in RNA virus there is a ribosome, but which are non-functional ribosome. And it's all for today. I would like to mention that please maintain a social distance, don't go outside. And now COVID-19 is pandemic, and no one can predict the situation, what happens whenever you may get infected. No one can predict the situation. So please maintain the social distance, please maintain the order of your society, of your government and the local government, and each and every time before and after cooking the food, please wash your hand properly. We have already made a video regarding the hand washing. I will provide the link in the description of the video, and we already made 3 or 4 video regarding the coronavirus. I will provide the link of that video in our description. Thank you. If you like our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.